What's going on, everybody? It's Featherweight Gamers. Today we're gonna change it up. I'm looking at Bitcoin to USDT. See where old Big Daddy Bitcoin's gonna be going. It's looking very nice actually. Hopefully we can break that 12.1 resistance, 12,100. It is showing on this right here. We got a buy signal on the daily. The RSIs are looking rather nice. MACD still above, so it's bullish. Um, I would say we'll see a move with Bitcoin. Maybe not today, but I think within the next 5 days to a week, we will see it, and I believe we will break the 12,000 mark and close above it. But we shall see. And then this was your low, this is your high, so we're looking real good. Support is moving. Support we got at 10.5, 10.738. So if you're looking, you're out, got kicked out, or you shorted it, look for another position at the 10.7. Just on the off chance it does, go bearish or drops down, and we hit a red candle or a couple of them. But I don't believe so. I believe all our RSIs are reset. I think we're gonna be looking for a big move within the next week. So be patient. Make sure you have stop losses in place. And let's make this $1 million. Let's make a lot of money. I'm doing this for free on my own time, but I love Bitcoin, especially with the way the world is moving. You know what I mean? The fiat systems, trash going down the drain faster than you can believe. So Bitcoin, if you're not in Bitcoin, I'd suggest looking at it. It's a very nice hedge against the dollar. So let's look at ETH to USDT. I mean, ETH, it's been on a tear for a good month. It's awesome. Oh, so we got printed on the TD sequential. We printed a 9, a sell signal right here. So if you're in there, maybe take profits, take your money, and reposition. The next, I'd be putting a buy in at the 333. 333.31, that's a money shot right there, as you can see right here. And also that's your support, should be support. So if you're in there, you bought high, hey, set a stop loss right in below this, just in case it does go down. But also be careful with it wicking down. It might wick down, but it'll get chewed right back up. You don't want to get kicked out and lose a position, right? So, but always, I suggest use a stop loss. You know what I mean? It's very volatile. All these cryptocurrencies, you know what I mean? Volatile. So, but if you're looking for a position, 330, 345, anywhere from 345 to 330 looks like a good position. Maybe go in the middle. You know what I mean? To get your order filled. So that's looking on a downhill side. Like I said, I think Bitcoin is gonna take a lot of dominance within the next week, away from other coins. Let's look at Band, because Band went on a tear. It has went on a tear for like a month. I remember that was like at 12,000 sats, and it's 64,000. I mean, that's like 500%, right? The reason for this is because of coin being listed on Coinbase yesterday. So here's your big pump. Boom. We exploded, right? Stocks, hey, it still got room to grow. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it could hit 80k sats. And we're only in a 5, so I mean, it's got room to grow. I mean, right here we dipped down, bam, came out, broke out. So that's another nice coin to be in. I mean, I think it's gonna take Link, but pound for pound, I believe in Band. So if you're looking to do that, we can look at a smaller time frame. Also, we'll look at a 4-hour. So if you're looking to get in, anywhere from, I would say, 55,000 to 50,000 sats. Put a buy order in if you're looking for a position. If you're in it, stop loss right here at 50,000. Maybe drop it below just in case you get a candle that tries to come down, and you know what I mean. It comes down, so just make sure it's below so you don't get booted out on your stop loss. Your next support is gonna be 32,000. But if you look on the 4-hour, it's super hot right now. Oh, we're printing off a sell signal on the 4-hour, but it's got a couple more hours before that candle closes. But it is printing on a 4-hour a sell signal. So again, if you're trading it, cool. If you're hodling it, not a big deal. But make sure you have stop losses, especially if Bitcoin decides to be Bitcoin, right? Like to take off. So make sure you have stop losses, protect your assets. Again, trade at your, do your own research. I'm just throwing some of this stuff out. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. Hey, and share it, and hit the comments like, hey, look at this coin for me. I'll be more than willing to look at it and give you my opinion about it. Let's look at VET. Let's look on a daily on VET. We're sitting in this channel. You see the red one right here? That's your resistance. That's gonna be our support right here. So if you see it, we're trading in this right here. But if you see this is your resistance right here at 212. We could see a move. I mean, it all depends on what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin just hits a 2-1 double tops at the 12,100 range, drops back down, then I would be looking for the alts to rally and push up. I prefer to trade for SAT value over the USD value. That's just my personal opinion. You could do either. But 212 is your resistance on VET to Bitcoin, to BTC. We're looking for an entry. 150s, 150s, depends. So I'm gonna close this out. I'll be doing this daily. So if you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. Thanks.